ride to LA with it. Ride to LA with it. Yeah. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Anything I do for the gang. Took those L's and I took that blame. All money in, we ain't copping no change. Feel like Ice Cube, cause a dead good day on me 3.
What's good, YouTube? It's the MENE-MOB back today with a brand new video. What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little minute since y'all got a video like this, but today we're trying to get back on it. We're trying to do something different that we ain't done in a while. Anyways, before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, what you waiting for? Make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you never miss a video from the MENE-MOB. Anyways, y'all, today we about to be trying these Boosie noodles. Everybody done already tried it. I done seen a million videos, so we kind of late to it, but I finally found them.
He sold out, dog.
At the store, yeah, they be gone every time I go look for them. But I finally found them, so I bought a couple. I'm like, let's go ahead and review these noodles. I'm a ramen noodle eater, so.
Hey, they better be hitting. That's all I know.
I don't know. Maybe we had to add a little hot sauce. Dang, we ain't got no hot sauce.
They ain't even like no black people to say nothing like that, is it?
So whatever it's hitting for, that's just what it's hitting for. Shout out to Boosie on this thing. Got him some ramen noodles from the Rap Snacks folks.
I hope it's spicy enough.
Anyway,
ain't no hot sauce.
Like I said, everybody done already reviewed this millions of times. I done seen hundreds of videos of people trying these. So we just gonna go ahead and throw ours out there. Hopefully we like them. If we don't, it is what it is. Comment down below if y'all done tried the rap snack noodles. So we just gonna be talking about some random stuff. We're gonna be talking about some random stuff. Y'all already know how the noodles taste, so ain't no need of us telling y'all how they taste. Everybody didn't already.
Everybody don't know.
Yeah, they do. Everybody didn't try. These noodles is a year old. Yeah, they do. Deontay. Anyway, I'm not about to be sitting here explaining how the exact taste. Cause they old news at this point. We way late in the game. These came out over a year ago. So, like I said, we're just gonna talk about some random.
See, God don't like ugly.
I ain't being ugly. I'm just being real.
Hey.
Random conversation about what we've been up to, what we got going on.
Can you taste the flavor?
Blah, blah, blah. That's spicy. They taste like ramen noodles.
I want y'all to start commenting down below and telling us what y'all think about the video. Yeah,
leave a comment. Y'all ain't gotta be scared to leave a comment. We get some people who we know who leave comments. You know, our little family who watch some of them. They leave comments, but we trying to run it up, see what y'all really want to watch, because we on YouTube. Y'all click on the video. Drop a little comment, say, hey, that video was shitty. Or say, hey, y'all, that was a good one. You know, we've been doing a bunch of stuff from the time we started, from pranks, challenges, videos like this, review videos, vlogs with the kids. Just our life. Period.
Hey, shout out to Crime's World, because she always comment down below.
Hey, Tiffany. Shout out to you. That's a day one. She a day one supporter, y'all.
Y'all go check her out.
Y'all go check out Crime's World on YouTube. It's a nice channel. She has some good content.
She show y'all where to get them deals at.
Definitely. I was gonna forget about that. This lady. I'm talking about getting some bargains. That's your girl. If you want to learn how to coupon, go check out Crime's World on YouTube. Now,
if you want to see somebody get their ass pranked, come on over here. I'm gonna show you what to do.
This is like spicy.
Yeah, they pretty good.
They spicy. They like a ramen noodle on 10 times spicy.
They're pretty good though.
So you know them crawfish spicy then. Sit back and say it. We recording.
I still ain't had no crawfish. How you supposed to eat them motherfuckers?
Don't know.
So what are you supposed to tear the head off and then?
I don't know. I never had them.
I'm gonna have to YouTube it or Google it or something.
Anybody from Louisiana watching? Because a lot of our viewers is not subscribers. Anybody from New Orleans?
Y'all let us know how y'all eat them crawfish. I don't know nothing about it. I ain't never had none.
You probably won't have them too. Until you meet somebody who cooks them all the time. Funny Mike, all them Louisiana people.
Yeah, I seen Funny Mike cooking them before.
Who from down that way where all the southern people who eat crawfish a lot. That's when you taste them, because I ain't gonna be cooking none. I don't know what I'm doing with them.
It can't be that bad. It can't be that hard. All you doing is boiling them, right?
Here you go. Can't be that hard. I don't know. Never cooked them. Never bought them.
She trying to make everything so difficult.
No, he trying to think everything is just a walk in the park.
Everything is a lesson. It's not a
And
walk in the
then
park.
he get around to him and be, oh, I don't know. Fuck this shit.
Y'all know
That's
she
your
lying.
boy.
She capping.
That's your boy right there. But they good. They got a real good spice to her.
I ain't even disappointed. I ain't got even one hot sauce. So.
Right, you that take that
Give
tension
that
that the hot
spice.
sauce. But anyway, y'all. So as far as YouTube, y'all been seeing we've been trying to be more consistent. We've been putting out videos. It's been getting a lot of rings. And so we just gonna try to be more consistent and put out videos every day instead of skipping 2-3 days or whatever how we been doing. But we got all these kids that be hard. This dude lazy.
You alive.
I gotta work at the dang on post office. Y'all already know. Y'all done seen me in the clown suit a million times.
Where she belong.
In his eyes. What type of man say his lady belongs somewhere like that?
I knew that'd get you.
It ain't get me. It's just stuff that you say.
Wow.
Anywho. That's what I'm gonna be and tell us why. Anyways, what else we been doing with this YouTube thing? Need to get back on doing videos like this. The kids miss doing challenges and family videos. And all our family love the family videos. You know, the arts and the crafts and the birthday vlogs and the
family time.
They like that family feel, you know. We like the pranks. We think they funny. So we watch it back, we be like, oh, we was tripping on that. But the kids like the pranks a little bit, but they just kids. So as long as we got the camera rolling, they happy. But we're gonna start to get back to doing more challenges and stuff like that. We just, I don't know, a lot going on. This guy's health, me working, 4 kids. What else?
I'm in tip-top shape. You talking about somebody else.
Just like I just told y'all. And then somebody tell me something. Oh, fuck that shit, fuck that shit. Anyway, what else? So this guy that took over the editing, but y'all know we both edit our own videos. And you know, we get the job done. So new little intro coming soon. I think it's gonna be dope once it's all put together.
I hope it be alright for y'all. Hope y'all like it.
Yeah, so if you click the video, don't click right off. Give us a chance.
So give us a chance. No, they say MENE-MOB on the thing.
Most people can't even pronounce it or say it right. Yeah,
I ate them noodles. I'm about to drink that juice though, because I like it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, you click on the video, give us a chance to at least open it up, tell y'all what the video gonna be about.
Right. Well, you can tell that from the description.
Oh yeah, you can read the description. You're right about that. You can read the description and see what the video gonna be about. If you're interested, stick around, watch us do our thing. If not, sayonara.
Because you know I'm acting damn fool. Every chance I get, I'm acting damn fool.
Barely.
I act a fool on the ass.
But anyways, y'all, tell a friend to tell a sister and a brother and a cousin. And who else?
Man, share this video. Share some of share the
Man,
share the funniest
share
videos.
your video. Yeah, go to our YouTube and share the funniest
Share
the video
that
you think is the funniest. Right. I feel you on that. And then still tell a friend, tell a sister, tell a cousin, tell a brother, tell whoever. Especially if you know us and you know us personally and you're watching. Hit the subscribe button. And when you're talking about us, tell the next person.
All day. In the words of Mama D. All day, baby.
No, Mama, I don't know who she is. I said, who the hell is Mama D? I don't know who she is.
My mother-in-law.
Oh, my mother.
Ma, she don't know who you is.
Usually just like Mama. Hi, Ma, if you watching, this is one of the videos you like right here. He ain't doing no dumb shit. Lead pranks. Go ahead,
Jury's still out on that.
Cause stop me, I'll tell you, if that shit hot and spicy, I'll be the biggest ass on this camera. Like y'all about to still get whooped. Real quick. I'm trying to see what these sauces is he put up in here.
I ate them. There was onions.
Green onions, I see.
Yeah, it was some type of spicy seasoning they put in there, but that shit was good.
Well, he didn't. The rap stacks people did. You know, the ones who make all of the sit back. Who make all of the Cardi B's and the little babies and
they all got rap snacks too?
They got potato chips. He the only one with the noodles, as far as I know.
Damn. Alright, Boosie. This shit was hidden too, man. On top, man. Shit. You got a motherfucker drinking the juice. Motherfucker shit. That goddamn, we say that Boosie juice. That Boosie juice, goddamn. I'm fucking with it. Daddy duties.
Whatever. They already know. They've been seeing this many
Go
times.
hard, baby.
Anyway, like I said, you got anything else you want to say? We ain't gonna run the video too long.
I ain't got too much to say. Y'all know I ain't that much of a big talker, you know what I'm saying? I like to get in, get out.
Sucks that he's doing YouTube if he ain't that much of a talker, because people out here run their mouth. Anyway.
We see.
Whatever, you got to be communicating with these folks. You got to open up and let people in. Y'all see who I am. I don't give a damn. Sometimes I'm loud. Sometimes I'm mean. Sometimes I'm nice. Sometimes I'm sweet. Sometimes I'm crazy. Y'all already know. Ain't no need trying to hide behind the shell. If you're on here, they already see. So, you might as well talk a lot. Say what you got to say.
Y'all know how I get it. Y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
And I hate when he say that. I really hate when he say that. Yeah, I like to get into detail what I need, what I'm asking of my audience. He was like, comment, and subscribe.
Get into detail.
Maybe we'll do a video on why we started YouTube. That'll be a different video. And about other YouTubers that we communicated with. Oh, I'm name dropping. Cause you know whose I am.
I ain't got time for that.
Look, Mr. Quiet ain't never got time for that. I bop. I pop on whoever. Anyway, I pop on whoever. That ain't no mess. If y'all want to see that tea, let us know. Cause yeah, they communicate with you. They communicate with you. Am I right or am I wrong?
Right up, Boosie.
But
on the gang, that was it.
some of these YouTubers be funny style. Am I lying?
Man, I ain't worried about nobody else.
Am I lying? Am I lying? Am I lying?
But you missing the point.
Some of them be funny style. Am I lying? Like I said, if y'all want that
Focus
video,
on your own
if y'all
paper.
want that video, I am.
Like
I
they
am.
showed
But we
you
all
in
in the
school.
same. We all in the same niche. And as far as networking, is collaboration. Anyway, I ain't worried about it. I just said if they want some tea, if they want to get in on why we started YouTube, if they want to know other YouTubers that we contacted and conversed with, that y'all watch, let us know.
She be on that. Me, if you ain't been with me, look, this is how I feel about it.
Well,
And that's on,
You gotta
my,
get
and
in.
that's on my mama.
that's gonna be the end of this video. What you think about the Boosie Noodles?
They was good. Now I'm about to go dead.
You sure?
Yep. Cause I ain't gonna do nothing but pop them. But when the dogs close, so Good night.
You want to tell him what his quote is on the back here?
You can do that.
He didn't write it.
You said you on good one, Boosie.
Yeah.
So go ahead and say what he said.
That nigga ain't even write that shit.
I bet you he didn't.
That sounds like a hater movie.
How is that a hater movie? You're not making no sense. He put his face on it. He got a check for his face on that motherfucker.
If he didn't write the quote, he okayed it.
Man, shut up.
They called him and asked him.
Yeah, alright. Alright, Boosie, hit me up, dog. I'm gonna call and ask you how to get rid of some motherfuckers. I need
Oh, you know that's your nigga on that.
I'm gonna bury this sucker here.
Don't bury me. Get rid of me first.
I'm gonna bury you.
Let me live my life and be free.
You mine till death do us part.
Well, if you want me gone, then obviously I'm not.
Till death do us part.
Just shut up! I hit you and your shit on this camera.
Alright, man, stop playing.
Anyway, y'all. Okay, so before we go, y'all done already had the wrap snacks noodles.
Let me have the rest of those. Let me finish this.
It's just a juicy. We done already had the wrap snacks. Yeah, like shut up. You annoying as hell.
Drink the
Y'all done already had the wrap snack noodles, but the quote on the back say sometimes you need those bad days because then it helps you appreciate the good ones, which is a true saying. So, with that being said, I agree with that statement. What about you?
I agree with it too. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Anyways, y'all, that's the end of this video. Make sure you hit that like button. Give this video a big thumbs up for the fam. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me get 5-10 likes on this video. Let me get 3 likes. Shit. Let me get something. When you press the like button, it spreads the video around. So let me get about 5-10 likes on this video. And if you're watching and you have not already subscribed to the channel, what you waiting for? We ain't going nowhere. We're gonna keep posting. So come back and watch it sometime. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you never miss a video from
the Double M,
from the MENE-MOB, from RELL to WHIT, whatever you want to call us. Them crazy folks. Hey, we'll take it. And thank y'all for watching this video.
We go.
We out.